you've taken TriMet across Portland, chances are you've seen someone using hard drugs.
It's almost an everyday occurrence, especially at 122nd and Burnside, right there at the bus stop.
Just walking right past it because you get so desensitized to it, it's everywhere.
But starting Sunday, September 1st, Oregon is putting into action HB 4002, recriminalizing publicly having hard drugs in small amounts, putting pressure on TriMet to focus in on drugs throughout their system, something they say they've already been working on.
We've been working on this over the last couple of years to really reduce the amount of incidents that were happening on the train. Since really post-COVID, we started to see some increase in the use of things like fentanyl on our stations and platforms, and even at times on the train.
Leaving officers with more rights to enforcement, with the ability to cite anyone with drugs under this new law, which can result in up to 180 days in jail. TriMet Safety and Security says they currently have over 400 personnel in the field and working towards 500.
They have not had this same level of ability to address open drug use as they do now with HB 4002 for several years. So we're really optimistic that this additional tool and their use of it, and I'm talking about our law enforcement personnel, is going to create some great benefits for TriMet.
The law also gives counties the ability to offer deflection programs that mandate the person go into addiction services instead of jail.
It says a good step forward, but I think the best thing is to try to get these people help.
All news TriMet riders are glad but skeptical to hear.
Criminalizing it again, I don't know that that's a solution, but I think it's going to create a bigger mess.
Now, keep in mind a separate law goes into place January 1st that will specifically target the use of drugs on any public trains or buses. Back to you.
Sydney Dorner in the Goose Hollow neighborhood tonight. Thank you, Sydney.